Morning, how are you today? I'm going to do a video in a sec for the integration centers, so I figure it's time we do that again. So this is about reintegrating those components of the brain that help us to take in information and hear it logically and emotionally, integrate that information and then start to put it together with what we know, what we believe. It helps us to calm down our survival patterns in relation to hearing things. Let's face it, a lot of things that we hear just don't feel, sorry, I'm making myself a cuppa, they don't feel like they are, truly real, I suppose. So, for example, I listened to an interview this morning with Stu Peters, and he's had a lady who's an expert in patents, or she had found some patents in relation to some technology that's being used here in Australia in Perth. So, very interesting hearing her discussing the patent that's been around for several years and all of the aspects associated with that. So when you hear stuff, it just sounds a lot of the time like it's just that little bit crazy. So part of the brain wants to go, what a load of crap, I'm not listening to this, I ain't going anywhere near it, that can't be true, that can't be true, that can't be true. And that's fine. I want to be asleep too. I want to go back to sleep. I don't want to know anything from the last 20 months. I just want to live my life and have a happy, healthy and well life with my family, friends. But there's other things going on that we have no choice about. And I also listened to a guy called Will Johnson this morning, and something he posted this morning, and it was an excerpt from the Malaysian president in 2015, and hearing what that guy said, or the Malaysian president, which is now playing out on the planet right now. So it was very interesting. And if you have a look at what's going on in Malaysia, all pretty interesting. So this is about integration. I'm going to make myself a cuppa, then we'll do the integration. Okay.